Hey, okay. Today, now we're going to talk about putting it all together. What have we just covered? And then using all these four techniques, okay? The four, our bag of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We're going to use these four techniques, but all in one go, okay? And you're going to pick and choose when to use them. So let's look at this question and let's jump straight in. I'm going to be going a little bit faster now, okay? So I won't be saying, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so, right, we've got 3x plus 4 equals 5. We need to find x. Our number one goal, get x on its own. How do we do that? Okay, what's annoying our x in this case? Well, in this case, we have two things annoying it, yeah? What are they? We've got the plus 4 annoying it and the 3 annoying it, okay? If these numbers weren't there, I'll just have x on its own and I'd have solved the answer. That'll be it. So, okay, two things. Which one do we want to get rid of first? Well, we can get rid of either actually, as long as you do it correctly. It doesn't matter what order you do it in. But the easiest method is to get rid of the plus stuff first. If it's plus or minus, get rid of that first and then divide and subtract. And let me show you how, okay? So, we've got plus 4, opposite of that, minus 4. So I'm not going to write minus 4 every time here now. I'm just going to start writing and jump this step and just start writing 3x equals 5 minus 4. Okay, I'm going to jump straight to that. Hopefully you know that that's what I did. I subtracted 4 to both sides. Okay, sweet. What's 5 minus 4? Nice, it's 1. Okay, good. Now I've got 3x equals 1. Okay, we've seen this before, just like we saw the last one before. Yeah, it's part of our bag of tricks. Okay, what do we have to do? Divide by 3. We've got to get rid of that 3. It's 3 times x, opposite, divide by 3. So we divide by 3, both sides, okay? And we get x equals a third. Yeah? These 3's cancel. Okay? I'm going to stop doing that as well. I mean, I'll still write the divide by. It's good. It's good to see. But yeah, these 3's cancel to give x equals a third. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, and now, see, now you just use two of those techniques in one equation. Okay, this is algebra. You got to pick and choose these techniques a lot of times until you finally get x, and that's how we wind our way to the answer. So let's have a look at another example. Okay, let's have a look at, keep this in view. What if we had something like x? Let's go nice and blue. X over 5 minus 10 equals 20. Okay, so that's x divided by 5 minus 10 equals 20. What do we want to do here? All right, let's start by getting rid of the 10. Okay, we have two things we want to get rid of, the 10 and the 5 as usual. Okay, so let's add both sides by 10. We add 10, so I'm going to get x over 5 equals 20 plus 10. Yeah. Now, I've got x divided by 5. What's the opposite of dividing by 5? Timesing by 5. Okay, times, before we do that, let's join this 20 plus 10. We get 30. So I've got x over 5 equals 30. And now, we've got to times both sides by 5. So, I can write it like this. Times by 5, times by 5. Okay. And we're going to get x on the bottom left equals 5 times 30, 150. I knew you knew that. Okay, nice. Right, and we got x. Okay, let me show you another quick example now. Slightly more complicated. Let's have a look. What if I've got x 2. Let's go for 3x. And let's divide all of it by, you say it, 6. Nice, good choice. Equals, let's go for 3. All right. Okay, now, this is slightly trickier. What do we do here? What do we do? What's annoying us here? Well, we've got, you see my thought process? I'm thinking, all right, I need to find x. What's annoying the x? Well, the 3, the 2, and the 6. Okay, these 3 numbers are annoying my x. So I need to get rid of them. Okay, how do I get rid of them? Well, I can't actually, I mean, it's a pretty ugly because it's all of this stuff is being divided by this 6. So it seems to be that this 6 right here is blocking the way in to do stuff with this. So let's get rid of that bottom 6 first. In fact, you'll find that getting rid of the denominator, that's what it's called, is the most, getting rid of that first is the best thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and multiply by 6. So we get 3x minus 2 equals, times by 6, 18. All right, sweet. We just multiplied both sides by 6. Now we add 2 to both sides. So I'm going to get 3x equals 20. So I'm adding 2. Now I've got 3x equals 20. What do? Divide by 3. X equals 20. Divide by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. Cancels the 3's, and I get that. And that's my answer. Okay, ignore that. Sweet. All right, and there you go. You've just gone and found it. Found x. And that's just putting everything we've learned into the same equation. We'll go into more detail in the next lesson.